Hi everyone, today I will show you the full guide on how to easily open PayPal account in China in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's get started. Start by visiting the PayPal website. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. Next, select your account type, either personal or business, based on your needs. Then enter your personal information including your name, email address, and create a secure password. You'll receive a verification link by email. Click the link to verify your email address. Now link your Chinese bank account by entering the required bank details. Don't forget to verify your mobile number by entering it and confirming the code sent to your phone by PayPal. To complete your setup, provide additional profile information such as your address and ID details. Finally, follow PayPal's instructions to upload the necessary ID documents to complete your identity verification. Once done, your PayPal account in China will be ready to use.